Hello, this is a quick tutorial for those unfamiliar with the database ProQuest US Newsstream. This database provides access to the archives of thousands of publications, and not just newspapers. They also access the backlogs of blogs, periodicals, journals, and podcasts. The search functions are fairly standard. To do a general search, use the search bar on the main page. You are going to search, for example, Golden State Killer. You could type it into the search bar and then edit your search results from there. You could just look at newspapers, you could look at magazines, you can sort by publication date, you can look for peer-reviewed sources. Or you can go for the advanced search, which is a little bit more complicated right from the jump. To narrow down the topic of serial killers in California, you can limit to full text, look for publication dates, or you can search for specific headlines, publications, or bylines. You can also search type of media if you're looking for a blog, podcast, website, scholarly journal, video clip, or you can even look for different languages. And you'll see that our advanced search already yields a smaller number of results than the general search. There's also an extensive help and support page. The help manuals are fairly thorough, and you can even search within them for what you're looking for. Alright, that's the basics of ProQuest US Newsstream. I hope that was helpful.